Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and I'm a lifestyle channel that covers beauty, hair, and fashion. Remember to hit that like, subscribe, and notifications buttons for future videos. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this 24-inch lace front T-part wig from the company Unice. I'm super excited to try this wig on and see how it looks. So as I'm unraveling the packaging, you see this beautiful magenta box. I think it's perfect for Unice. I love the color of it. And then I'm going to show you the side. It says "cannot be defined" as their slogan. Absolutely love this box. It is so nice. Inside we find this beautiful paper. Again, it just shows their logo and the "cannot be defined" slogan. Hey guys, let's take a look at what came with the wig. Unice includes some awesome gifts, which are hair edge headband, a wig cap, eyelashes, and mascara. I'm really impressed by these extra items, and I think they will come in super handy when I'm wearing the wig. So as I'm opening up the gifts, I actually wanted to show you a red headband that I had gotten from a previous package. When I had opened up the wig, there's another gift. So now I have two headbands. Really happy about that. As you can see on the wig, it's just a regular, light brown wig. And you can actually become an ambassador for Unice as well if you scan that QR code. Eyelash is super pretty. And I thought that this pink looking bottle with mascara is super cool and I absolutely love it. Really happy I got another one of those. Just another look at it without the clear plastic over it. So we're gonna put all these back in the box and we're gonna take a look at the wig. Now let's take a look at the wig itself. As I'm opening up the bag, I can already feel that the hair is super soft and luxurious. The wig has a slight body wave, which I think I will look really natural and really pretty. So the color of the wig is brown with blonde highlights, which I think is a really nice combination. It's perfect for the summer months when I want my hair to look sun-kissed and beachy. One thing I did notice when I first opened the wig is that there was a slight odor. However, I know from my experience that this is pretty normal with new wigs. I will be bleaching the knots in another video and washing the wig, so I'm sure the odor will go away. Remember to hit that like, subscribe, and notifications buttons for future videos. Alright, so I'm just going to be showing you a closer look at the T-part lace frontal. So in the part you can see the black knots. I'm going to definitely be bleaching those in my next video just to have a little bit of a natural feel for the wig. And then you see the lace, it runs from ear to ear, so you can definitely make it your own and cut it and pluck it however you would like. It's like a light brown lace, so it's a little bit darker than my own natural skin tone. And you can see here with the body wave how bouncy it is, and I'm going to definitely run my fingers through it. It's super soft and minimal shedding, which is absolutely the best for any wig. That way you can just style it and not feel like you have to worry about shedding and a lot of hair coming out. Not with these kind of wigs. Very good construction. And lastly, I just want you guys to see the inside of the wig cap. You'll see the combs, you'll see a little bit of lace at the bottom, and you'll see the outline of where you can bleach the T part and the lace frontal as well. So I'm really happy with this wig. Overall, I'm really impressed with this wig from Unice. It's super soft and the color is so beautiful. I'm excited to wear it out and see how it looks in different lighting. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.